Hello, my name is Saloni Sani and I am currently pursuing my Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science and Engineering. First of all, I would like to thank you giving me this opportunity to present my understanding of some of the most important and the demand technologies to the industry. In this video, I will be discussing four major areas: Python, data science, machine learning, and Java. These technologies not only form the foundation of many modern applications but also play a crucial role in building intelligent system, data-driven solution, and scalable software. Throughout this presentation, I will walk you through the core concepts, real-world application, important workflow, commonly used tools, and I will also demonstrate word simple code example to help you understand how these technology work in practice. My goal is to present everything in a clear and unstructured way that anyone, even a complete beginner, can understand the importance of use these technology. Section 1, Python. Python is one of the most powerful and versatile programming language used across almost every domain of technology today. It is known of its clean and reliable syntax which makes it extremely beginner friendly yet powerful enough for advanced development. Python supports multiple programming paradigms such as object oriented, functional, and procedural programming, which is why is widely adopted in industry ranging from software development to artificial intelligence. One of the biggest advantages of the Python it is vast ecosystem of variable of libraries. For example, NumPy is used to numerical computation, Pandas used for data manipulation and analysis, Matplotlib and Seaborn are used for the data visualization, Scikit-learn is used machine learning, and TensorFlow or PyTorch are used for deep learning. These libraries together make Python an essential tool for data science and machine learning workflow. In real world scenario, Python is used to build automation scripts, backend server APIs, web application, chatbot, natural language processing, NLP models, image detection system, and even large scale recommendation engines. Let me explain Python with a small example. When working with data, the first step usually loading and exploring the data set using pandas we can quickly create and visualization data. For example, this is how Python makes it extremely easy to work with data. The simplicity and the flexibility of Python are the reason it has the become has backbone modern technology. Second section is data science. Data science is the process of turing raw data, meaningful insights. Every organization today depends on data, whether it's a startup, a bank, an e-commerce platform, or a tech giant. They all really on data to understand customer behavior, improve products, reduce risk, and make better discussions. The field of data science involves several key steps such as data collection, data cleaning, exploratory data analysis, feature engineering, model building, evaluation, and finally deployment. Each step play a crucial role because real world data is often messy, incomplete, incomplete or unorganized, and the data science technology help convert that raw data into something visual. For example, during data cleaning, we remove duplicate values, handles missing data, correct data types, and remove outliers. After that, we move to exploratory analysis where we study true patterns, corrections, and distribution using visualization tools like Matplotlib. Future engineering help improving model performance by selecting the most important variable. Data science look mainly include Python, Pandas, NumPy, SQL, Jupyter Notebook, and visualization libraries. To demonstrate this, imagine loading a large dataset of the customer transactions with a few lines of the code. Pandas. We can quickly see the first few rows, check basic statistics, and interpret the structure of the data. These quick insights help us understand how to proceed with the analysis. Section 30 is the machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of the AI that enable machine learning to learn from the data and make precision without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning models are trained on historical data, and once the model learns the patterns, it can make the precisions on new data. There are three major categories of machine learning. The first of the supervised learning, where the all models learn from labeled data. Some examples include preceding house price using regards of prediction house price using regression, or classify emails or spam or non-spam using classification algorithm. The second category is unsupervised learning, where the model learns from unlabeled data. The best example is clustering, where we group similar items together, such as grouping customer based on their purchases behavior. The third category is reinforcement learning, where an agent learns by interacting with the environment and the receiving reward the correct action. This method is using robotics and the modern game AI system. Machine learning use a wide range of algorithms such as the linear regression, logistic regression, random forest, decision trees, SVM, Navy Bayes, and K-means. Each algorithm has its own purpose and application area. For example, random forest is used for classification task and performance will even a large data cell, while a key means widely used for clustering tasks and the customer segmentation. Let me explain with an example, small demo. Suppose we want a clarifying flowers from of the Irish dataset in Python using scikit-learn. We can load the dataset, split the into training and testing sets, train a random forest model, and check the accuracy. This entire process takes only a few lines of code, yet the model can give surprisingly good result. Machine learning is used everywhere today. Netflix recommendation, YouTube suggestion, medical diagnosis, weather forecasting, fraud detection, spam recognition, and even self-driven cars. It is one of the fastest growing fielding in the world. What is Java? Java is the one of the most stable and powerful programming language in the world. It was created by James Gosling at Sun Microsystem in 1995. Even after almost third year, Java is still one of the top language used of the companies, government, banks, startups, and big tech. The reason Java remaining strong is because it is a reliable source and built of the large scale system. When companies want to build something the most run for many years, they choose Java. When a project requires high security and strong performance, they choose Java. With millions of people use same application of the same time, Java handles that load easily. This is the way of Java continuously to dominate the industry. In today's world, we use technology every minute: banking apps, booking apps, online shopping, healthcare management, learning platforms, social media, and many more. Many of these systems of the powered by Java. Java is like of the backbone of the industry, even though new languages come and go. Java remains the most trusted choice because big companies cannot take risks. They want stability, security, and long term support. Java gives them all of that. Another reason Java is so important today is because of the Android development. Almost every Android application uses Java concept. Even if modern apps use Kotlin, the base of Android is still Java. Java is also needed in the automation testing, backend development, cloud computing, machine learning pipelines, and microservice. This means Java everywhere, even is technology that look new. Java is used many places around US even when we do not notice. Is when you do online banking, the backend system is usually written in Java. When you book a train ticket, the booking server is often a Java system. When hospitals manage patients' record or insurance claims, they are used Java-based application. When company manage large data transaction and security system, Java work in the background. Even government system, railway timetable, manage electricity boards, tax portal, and voting system use Java because these systems cannot be allowed to fail. They must work 24 by 7. They must be source secure and they must handle huge traffic. Lord Java was designed exactly for the purpose. The future belongs to large scale application, cloud compute, microserver automation, and high security system. Java is already a leader of these fields with frameworks like Spring Boot. Java is becoming even more powerful. Future technology like AI, cloud integration, enterprises automation, fintech expansion, and cybersecurity strongly depend on a stable backend system. Java is perfect of all these use cases. Also, as organizations continue to move their applications to the cloud, Java is becoming even more important because it is fully supports on platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, and Oracle Cloud. Java has strong performance, massive scalability, and long-term support. This makes Java future-proof. Java is not dying. Java is not outdating. Java is evolving, and because millions of companies worldwide depend on Java, it will remain relevant for the next 30 to 40 years easily. Java program run on a specific engine called is Java Virtual Machine or JVM. When you write of Java programming, you write it is human reliable language. The compiler convert into bytecode. The bytecode is not machine learning and it is not tied to any specific computer. The JVM takes bytes code and run it any device. They is why is Java is platform independent like JDK, JRE, JVM. JDK is Java Development Kit is used for the developing programs. JRE Java Runtime Environment it use the running programs. JVM is the heart of execute your bytecode. The architecture is one biggest reason Java is portable, fast, and reliable. Java was important yesterday. it is important today and it will be important tomorrow. It is a language made of the serious, secure, and long term application. Java continues of the power our daily life from banking to booking, from payment to healthcare. Learning Java gives a strong foundation of the great career. Thank you.